Now, this is the basic misting pump that I showed in another video, and I got it set up on a timer. You can see that it's coming on for about 3 seconds and shutting back off again. And when it shuts back off, it shuts off at about 100 to 110 psi. And it drops too, but you watch it, it drops fast and then it stops. Okay, but then it slowly kind of bleeds off a little bit as it goes. So what's happening there is that the nozzle that's going through has a spring check valve in it that prevents it from going down any further, and then it kind of leaks out of there. But actually, this particular nozzle doesn't have a spring check, but it has a small little regulator on it. You can see this right here. So what's going on is this is adjustable. This is a spring adjustment. We can adjust when the flow quits, and right now it's set at about 110, as you can see right there. I can crank this up a little bit. I'm going to turn it about a quarter of a turn. And now it stops at about 120. But that keeps dripping back down a little bit, but I can crank it back the other way. Now we're back to about 110. I'm going to back off a little further. And now we're down to about 95. So you can adjust, when it quits misting. So, and as you can see, turn this back up a little bit. As you can see, when it comes on, we got a good mist. It quits pumping, and then all of a sudden, when it gets to, boom, the mist is stopped. It quits. But now there's a little bit of leaking that's going on. So there is some dripping that's actually kind of goes on. Just a couple of drops comes out, and I think that's what's the bleeding off. We also have a check valve down here that it might be going back that way also. But it does a pretty good job of stopping the flow. That's what I wanted to demonstrate here.